O niguo gwatinda thiini na nja wa nyumba ino ya kuiga miri ya City Mortuary kuria ateteri a ihoto cia umundu mahingire barabara makihinyiriria gutabanio uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Caroline Mwatha. Maabitha a borithi mahinyiriirio kuhuthira riera ria kuruta maithori niguo kuharagania muingi uria ukuhingite barabara mari na matuku ya maingi thutha wao kwirwo uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Caroline ndungitabanĩrio muthenya wa umuthi amu mutaramu wa thirikari dauma kuo.
Our people who are ready to come and do the positive, they are ready, they are here. We are just waiting for the government pathologist, and they are saying it's in Naivasha until Monday.
This is a case of public interest, and we are standing here together as human rights defenders, comrades of Caroline Mwatha, and we are saying this autopsy has to be done today.
Igeria ria maabitha a borithi ria kuhoreria muingi ni riringire ihiga thutha wa family na aria megwikinyitie hau kwihanda.
If need be, we'll carry the body and take it to Naivasha so that we do the autopsy. We want the truth to be known. This secrecy and hiding, I don't know, pathologist is not here, it doesn't make sense.
The postmortem is just part of the process of establishing the truth. Others, we also say there has to be some kind of inquest. Yeah, because the postmortem would not address all the questions.
Joshua Ochieng uria ni muthuri wa Caroline na ithe mumuciari ni mareganite na riboti erierekereirio ni munene wa uthuthuria George Kinoti ati Caroline arakuire akigeria kuruta nda thibitari-ini imwe mwena wa Dandora.
Maybe the abortion was done maybe some months before. They may use this as a cover up of this story. If abortion was done, maybe it was done before. Because I don't see, if you know you are pregnant and it's an illegal pregnant, why should you wait for 5 months?
Ekwirwo atandatu aria makuruhanitio na gikuo giki ni makinyitio igoti-ini ria Makandara kuria mathirwo mahingirwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 6 niguo kuhe maabitha a borithi meke uthuthuria makiria. Ino niyo thibitari iria Caroline arekwirwo gwetha motungata ma kuruta nda aikari thiini wa gicigo giki makiuga thibitari uyu wanekwirwo maita maingi gukorwo ugitabania unyamu ucio.
Kutoa wanatoanga mimba hapa, hata kuna nyakati tulidemonstrate kwa hii.
Uthuthuria wa mwiri ucio riu ugatabanio muthenya wa rucio. Guku family ya Caroline Mwatha igithiaga na mbere na gucakaya gikuo kia mwana wao na wateteri a ihoto cia umundu no mathiete na mbere na gukorwo magikirira nganja riboti iria ithiete na mbere na gukorwo ikirutwo ni maabitha a borithi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.